Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yediah, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And right now I'm in a live trade on Nvda. I'm short at 188.65. So let's see. All right, so we have let's see what kind of Camarilla relationship we have today. We have it looks like it's a overlap, it's a lower value day because we have S3 at 192.01 and we have today's S3 at 184.95 and R3 is at 189.41. So it's a lower value day. And let's see what kind of trend we have, because this is how I break down how I'm gonna take my trades. So let's see. Overall, it's let's go up to the 15-minute. So the recent movement is it's a downtrend, right? So recent movement, we have a downtrend moving down here from 197. So I pulled a fib from 197.80, took it down to the lows here of 185.24. It gave me some fib retracement levels. The 61% level is here. 50% level is at 191.55. Let's see, pull back out this. So you see the levels are, oh man, why does that do that? All right, so 61% level is 190.08, 50% is 191.55, and this level here, 38%, is 193.01. So I saw the rejection here, the open. Well, this strategy is kind of like, it's a short strategy, but it happened. Let's say I open my platform at around 8:30 in the morning, right? If I saw this, because I opened my platform late. So if I saw this setup with this gap up here above R3, I'd be thinking to go long, right? So the trade I would have took this morning would have been a bounce off of R3 and probably a stop below R2. And this is looking tricky here. That trade might have, stopped me out. Because let's say I enter on the second candle here for a breakup off of R3. Or if this, I don't know how this candle really moved, right? But let's say we entered somewhere around the break above lower VWAP, right, for the R3 rejection, and then put the stop below R2. But that's still tricky because I could have put the stop maybe below R3 looking at this wick rejection right here, So I don't know, that was a tricky trade right there. And then, just take it up to these levels. When you see it start breaking back down, you could probably stop out, like, I don't know, stop out somewhere here. You're seeing too much wick rejections, And, but that trade was a kind of tricky trade because of the wick rejections and, the stop hunting, All this here is stop hunting vibe, you know what I mean? So I opened my platform kind of late because I'm back to work, so sometimes can't really just get up early and trade the morning all the time. So let's see, I might take this down to R3. I was thinking to S3. I was thinking maybe it wouldn't get there, but it looked like it might. And let's see where we at, 186.60. So anyway, this trade turned into more like my mama bear strategy, where it's like a R3 retest, right? But it's like it retested R4 instead. So my Mama Bear strategy is where we're in a downtrend, and we kind of open and we retest R3, right? And then we take it all the way down to maybe S3 or S4 or something like that. But today this kind of opened, gapped up, and was using R3, I guess, as the bouncing platform to move higher. And this is going against the Camarilla thesis of a lower value day, right? So it should be kind of like a breakout day. If it's breaking out so much and it's going against the thesis so much, it should be like a bullish day, but it ended up failing and all this whipsaw action and stuff like that. So I guess we back to the short, you know what I mean? So with the breakdown of R3, then we get the retest, and I opened my platform probably around 11:40, 11:45, somewhere around there. So I looked at the whole pattern, pulled my fib, saw the rejection of the fibs, and that's how I came up with my strategy. Let me just take the Mama Bear strategy. I'm a little late. Could have gotten like somewhere around here, but I chose to take like this R2 breakdown, and about to break down on this lower value, lower VWAP line right here. So this green line, that's lower VWAP. So I was taking that R2 breakdown and the lower VWAP breakdown at the same time, and now we could just head to S3 from there. And I took the risk of to 189, so I took 100 shares at 188.65, and I was risking till 189. So it was a small risk. For the reward that I'm gonna get, it was a small risk. I guess I was risking like about, $35, something like that. And now we up $200 right now. Let's see, we could secure some more profit here because it's kind of bouncing around. So I was at 187.65, so that was securing 100. Thinking about going down to maybe above this level right here because we kind of bouncing around at this S1 level. And with the early strength, I'm not too sure that we're gonna break down because it's a lower value level on the Camarilla relationship, and yet still we bounced on R3, so there is some strength. So they might be coming back down here to pick up some shares, pick up some buyers. So the bid on the level 2 is looking it's looking kind of even. So what I think I'll do is, at this point here, I'm gonna cover 25. Alright, so cover 25 right there. And I think I'm gonna put my stop now to 187. Alright, so what's going on? Oh, okay. One second here while I fix this. Alright, so I set my stop range order. 187 is my stop loss, 185 is my target. and I gotta go get ready to work. So I'm gonna set this and just leave this right here. Gotta stop the video now because it's back to work, man. Back to the grind. You know what I mean? Alright, y'all, it's King Nvda, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.